In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your garage door when it's not responding to the remote or keypad, covering motor, battery, and signal issues. First, check the batteries in both your remote and keypad. Replace them with fresh batteries to ensure they have enough power. Next, make sure nothing is blocking the safety sensors near the door tracks. Dirt, spider webs, or objects can block sensors and prevent the door from operating. Clean the sensors gently with a soft cloth. If the door still doesn't respond, check the motor unit. Ensure it's plugged in and receiving power. Listen for sounds when pressing the remote or keypad. If the motor is silent, it may need professional repair. Try reprogramming your remote and keypad. Find the Learn or Program button on the motor unit, usually on the back or side. Press it once to enter programming mode, then press a button on the remote or keypad within 30 seconds to sync. If multiple remotes or keypads are used, repeat this process for each device. Also, test the remote and keypad closer to the motor unit to rule out signal interference. If the door still won't respond, the remote, keypad, or motor receiver could be faulty and may require repair or replacement. Following these steps should get your garage door working with your remote and keypad again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.